Today I'm reviewing a rice cooker that turned out to be way more useful than expected. If you're juggling kids, work, dinner, life in general, this little appliance actually solves quite a lot of everyday cooking problems. It doesn't just cook rice, it steams, makes porridge, does soups, and handles a bunch of other jobs you'd normally use separate pots and appliances for. It's the Panasonic rice and multi cooker, and after using it for months, I can confidently say that it looks simple but ends up doing far more than what you'd think. The first thing that you notice is the design. It has a modern, sleek look, actually suits the kitchen bench instead of something that you want to hide in the cupboard. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to move around, but still feels nice and well built. Inside, Panasonic has packed in some clever technology. The rice cooker uses fuzzy logic, which is a smart cooking system that automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time instead of guessing water ratios or worrying about undercooked or mushy rice. The cooker does all of that thinking for you. It reads what's happening inside the pot and then adjusts as it goes, so you get perfect results every time. I truly have not made a bad batch of rice since having this. Now I cannot go back to making quick rice or eating quick rice. This just makes it way too easy and is far more delicious. The inner pot is a 4-layer aluminium design with a non-stick coating that makes cleaning super easy and simple. One of these standout features is the Bincho 10 charcoal coating, which is the same technology Panasonic uses in their premium induction heating rice cookers, and it helps conduct the heat more evenly so that every grain cooks consistently from top to bottom. No mushy rice anymore. There's also a few features that make this rice cooker really practical for everyday life. So the 24-hour timer means you can set it up in the morning and come home to freshly cooked rice, which is awesome. And the 24-hour keep warm function as well is great for families, meal prep, anyone who eats at different times. If you're in a rush, hello, are we all? There is a quick cook mode as well, and that actually gives you rice in about 15 minutes. 15 minutes, which is a lifesaver on busy days. So even though it is predominantly used as a rice cooker, this actually is a multi-cooker with other auto functions for soup, congee, brown rice, steaming, etc. So it's a great option if you want one appliance that can handle multiple jobs without taking up too much space. For real life testing, here's a few things that were a total hit. So white rice, obviously great with curries and stir fries, fluffy, separate grains, no sticking, no babysitting required. Literally, you just set it up and forget. Brown rice, normally something that's kind of like a little bit trickier to cook and takes a long time to cook, but this came out like super soft, evenly cooked, so easy, just magic. Steamed vegetables. Yes, you can steam vegetables in this. It's quick, it's clean, and all of your veggies come out really tender without being mushy. I also did some steamed dumplings in this, which were fantastic. So that was soft, juicy, didn't stick to the steaming basket. And that's another thing that this has is the steaming basket as well, which is fantastic. So gives you more options. Cleaning the appliance is also really straightforward. The non-stick pot rinses super easily, and the steam cap and the inner lid component pop out for a quick wash. This here. If you are in the market for a rice cooker or multi-cooker, here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. Pros, it has the auto-adjusting fuzzy logic for consistent results and perfectly cooked rice. Multi-cooker functions are also available, soups, porridges, steaming, and more. The 24-hour delay timer and the 24-hour keep warm mode, honestly, so fantastic. And the quick cook mode for fast meals. It also has the compact design and easy to clean and use. Very simple interface. Cons, is probably not the cheapest rice cooker on the market, and the larger model does take up a little bit more bench space. However, the cooker is ideal for anyone who wants reliable, hands-off cooking, whether you're prepping meals for kids, yourself, or just want perfectly cooked rice without even thinking about it, then this Panasonic rice and multi-cooker is a quality and dependable choice. If you want me to test any specific recipes or compare this to any other rice cookers on the market, please let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy kitchen gadget reviews, delicious recipes, make sure you are subscribed. Don't miss the next one. Hit the bell as well because I have new videos coming out all the time. I'd love to hear from you again soon. So please make sure you say hi. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. I'll see you again soon. Bye.